Welcome back to Tech Vibes. Today we're fixing Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 crashing on your PS5. Start by turning off your PS5 completely until the power light goes off. Once the PS5 is off, unplug the power cable from the back of your PS5. Leave the PS5 unplugged for about 20 seconds to clear temporary system issues. Now plug the power cable back into your PS5 firmly. Turn on your PS5 and wait for the home screen to fully load. Open Modern Warfare 2 on your PS5 and check if the crash happens again. If your PS5 still crashes, close the game completely using the PS5 Options button. Restart your PS5 to refresh all system processes. Once the PS5 restarts, go to Settings on your PS5. Scroll to Save Data and Games/App Settings on your PS5. Select Save Data, PS5, and choose Modern Warfare 2. Clear the corrupted save data only, keeping the PS5 game files intact. Now head back to the main menu of your PS5. Go to the PS5 game tile for Modern Warfare 2. Press Options on the PS5 controller and select Check for Update. If your PS5 shows an update available, download it fully. Also check for a PS5 system update in the Settings menu. Download and install any pending PS5 firmware updates. After updating, reboot your PS5 once again. Open Modern Warfare 2 on your PS5 and test the gameplay. If the PS5 still crashes, go back to the home screen. Highlight the game and press Options on your PS5 controller. Select Delete, but do not remove saved data from the PS5. Go to your PS5 game library and reinstall Modern Warfare 2. Let the game install completely before launching it on your PS5. After reinstall, restart the PS5 again for stability. Now test the game once more on your PS5. If the issue continues, shut down the PS5 properly. Hold the PS5 power button until you hear a second beep. This will boot your PS5 into safe mode. Connect your PS5 controller with a USB cable. Select Clear Cache and Rebuild Database in the PS5 Safe Mode menu. Let the PS5 complete the process without interruption. Once the PS5 restarts, return to the home screen. Launch Modern Warfare 2 again on your PS5. If crashing still happens, open the PS5 storage settings. Check if your PS5 is running low on free storage space. Delete and use games or apps on the PS5 to free space. Restart your PS5 once the storage is cleared. Try running the game again on your PS5. If the PS5 still crashes, check your PS5's network connection. Go to Settings and run a network test on your PS5. If the connection is unstable, restart your router and your PS5. Once the network stabilizes, open the game again on your PS5. If problems remain, move to the PS5 settings again. Open Rest Mode Options and disable Rest Mode features on your PS5. Restart the PS5 to apply changes. Launch Modern Warfare 2 one more time on your PS5. If it works now, great. You've fixed the crashing issue on your PS5 with Tech Vibes.